What's up, guys? Welcome back to the coolest place on earth, the Vintage Air Garage. Your boy Billy here. Today, you're just in time to check out our new releases, the 5960 and 6566 Impala kits. Let's check them out. All right, your SureFit kit for your 5960 Impala is going to come with your condenser, hard lines, your dryer, compressor bracket, compressor, reduced barrier hoses that are going to run inside. Out here, you're going to see you get your firewall cover plate. Gives it a nice clean look. We'll move over here to the 6566 Impala. Also, with your standard kit, you're going to get your condenser kit, hard lines, dryer. Going to run out to your reduced barrier hose kit, which is going to run underneath your fender well there for a nice clean look. You get your compressor bracket, rear exit compressor, and of course your clean firewall cover. Inside we have our Gen 5 Magnum Max with that giant blower that gives you 20% more airflow than your standard blower. Your underdash setup is all going to have 2.5-inch vents coming out. Also, we upgraded the defrost ducts to 2.5-inch also. You get your control panel conversion kit to keep that stock look. You also get a new glove box. All right, now 6566. This happens to be a non-AC car. This is what you're going to get with your non-AC kit. Your Gen 5 Magnum Max, you're going to have an underdash bezel, which is going to have 2.5-inch ductwork throughout. Your control panel is going to be electronic, which is going to use your OEM bezel, and we upgraded the knobs to a more OEM kind of look. It's also going to come with a new glove box. Alrighty guys, if you're ready to order your SureFit kits for your Impalas on the 6566, it's also available for the with AC vehicles. Get with your sales team, holler at them, they'll hook you up with the best kit you can get. Once again, for Vintage Air, I'm Billy. Be cool.